Exploring the treasures of Nevada State. Welcome to the enchanting state of Nevada, where desert landscapes and vibrant cities coalesce. From the bright lights of Las Vegas to natural wonders untamed, Nevada's allure leaves visitors forever entertained. Geographic location. Nestled in the western region of the United States, Nevada's geographic location radiates. Bordered by Oregon, Idaho, Utah, and Arizona, its diverse terrain offers experiences both thrilling and serene. Capital and population. Carson City, the capital, stands with grace. A historic hub where Nevada's story finds its place. With a population of over 3 million and growing, Nevada's communities exude a sense of unity and knowing. History and politics. Nevada's history is steeped in tales of the Wild West, a place where pioneers ventured on a quest. Silver and gold mining brought prosperity and fame, shaping Nevada's identity, a state with a distinct name. Politically, Nevada is known for its swing state status, where elections unfold with suspense and apparatus. From the legalization of gambling to progressive stances, Nevada's politics reflect its citizens' diverse advances. Economy. Nevada's economy thrives on diverse industries, with tourism and entertainment as major trophies. Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world, shines bright with resorts, shows, and casinos unfurled. Education and culture. Nevada's education system fosters knowledge and growth, with institutions that inspire students both young and old. A rich cultural tapestry weaves through the state. From Native American heritage to vibrant arts, celebrate. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Silver State's mining legacy. Nevada earned the moniker, the Silver State, with pride, as silver mining brought wealth on this wild ride. From the Comstock lode to modern-day operations, Nevada's mining heritage shaped its foundations. 2. The extravagance of Las Vegas. Las Vegas, a city that never sleeps, where glamour, lights, and entertainment seep. From the iconic Strip's casinos and resorts, to world-class shows that leave spectators in awe-filled retorts. 3. The mysterious Area 51. Located in the Nevada desert's vast expanse, Area 51 stirs intrigue with an enigmatic dance. Conspiracy theories and tales of extraterrestrial fame. The secrecy surrounding it adds to its mysterious claim. 4. The Great Basin National Park's solitude. In the rugged mountains of eastern Nevada's realm, the Great Basin National Park overwhelms. Bristlecone pines and Lehman Caves amaze, a serene escape where nature's wonders blaze. 5. The historic Virginia City. Step back in time to Nevada's Wild West days. In Virginia City, history's presence never strays. Walk the wooden boardwalks, soak in the old-time charm, a living museum where the past's echoes disarm. 6. The beauty of Lake Tahoe. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada's embrace, Lake Tahoe's beauty leaves no heart in haste. Crystal clear waters and majestic mountain views, an outdoor playground where adventure ensues. 7. Exploring the Valley of Fire State Park. Amidst blazing red rock formations and ancient art, the Valley of Fire State Park claims a special part. Hiking trails and petroglyphs tell stories untold, a vibrant landscape that never fails to unfold. 8. Reno's vibrant Riverwalk District. Beyond the glitter of Las Vegas' renowned fame, Reno's Riverwalk District offers a lively game. Stroll along the Truckee River's peaceful flow, discovering art, music, and culinary delights in tow. 9. The historic Hoover Dam. An engineering marvel, a symbol of might. The Hoover Dam stands tall, a breathtaking sight, harnessing the power of the mighty Colorado River. It continues to inspire with its grandeur forever. 10. The lunar-like Valley of the Moon. In Nevada's lunar crater volcanic field, behold, the Valley of the Moon's lunar-like landscape unfolds. Volcanic craters and cinder cones create an otherworldly scene, a photographer's paradise, capturing nature's serene. 11. The natural marvels of Cathedral Gorge State Park. Erosion's artistic hand-sculpted Cathedral Gorge, a state park where nature's beauty takes charge. Slot canyons and unique formations galore, A hidden gem that leaves visitors wanting more. 12. The enigmatic ghost town of Goldfield. Once a bustling gold mining town of yore, Goldfield now stands as a ghostly lore. Explore its remnants and abandoned buildings with care. A glimpse into Nevada's past, a haunting affair. Summarization. Nevada, a land of contrasts and captivating sights. From the glitz of Las Vegas to nature's delights. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse landscapes create a tapestry of experiences, with no escapes. Poem, Nevada's Enchanting Tale. In Nevada's vast expanse, a tale unfolds. Of deserts and mountains, stories untold. From Carson City's grace to Las Vegas glitz, Nevada's allure is one that never quits. Silver mining brought riches to behold. The Silver State, shining bright, we're told. The Wild West echoes through Virginia City's streets, where history's presence never retreats. Las Vegas, a city that dazzles and amazes, where dreams are woven amidst neon-filled mazes. From the Strip's casinos to shows grand and bold, a playground of entertainment that never grows old. Hoover Dam stands tall, a marvel of might, harnessing power, a symbol of human insight. Lake Tahoe's beauty, serene and profound, mirroring mountains, nature's playground. Valley of Fire ignites with vibrant hues. Ancient art in red rocks, a surreal muse. Cathedral Gorge's sculpted canyons enchant, a geological wonder, where memories implant. In Nevada's heart, culture finds its place. From native heritage to art's embrace. Education thrives, knowledge takes flight. Institutions of learning, shining bright. Nevada's political landscape, ever in flux. A swing state that knows how to conduct. Economy thrives on entertainment's song. From resorts to gaming, a symphony lifelong. Nevada's treasures, vast and diverse. A state where dreams and adventures immerse. Embrace the tales, the history, and more. Nevada's enchantment forever in store. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.